If Batman drove a sedan, this would probably be it. The 1967 Chevrolet Impala isn't just another classic. It's the kind of car that makes people stop mid-sentence. Long body, big engine, and just enough attitude to scare a Prius into the next lane. Yeah, it guzzles gas, it's massive, and parallel parking it, good luck. But somehow, you'd still rather take this beast on a grocery run than your Bluetooth-packed hatchback. Because comfort? Check style? Please. And the stairs? Oh, you'll get them. But here's the thing most people forget. These classics, some have been wrecked, rebuilt, flipped 10 times, or worse, flooded and disguised. Before you fall for the look, check the car's history. We're talking real vehicle history reports for classic VINs so you know what's under the hood, behind the past. So whether you're buying one, already have one, or just love drooling over the idea, don't guess the story. Read it. Use the link in our bio and run your classics history report today at classicdecoder.com. Let's settle this. Would you daily drive a 67 Impala? Or is this one strictly for weekends and car shows? Drop your answer in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Legends on Wheels.